Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you yet another version of my graph. Today it is Hugging Face Spaces. So as you know, there is this platform called Hugging Face. We will have a look at it in a moment. And there are a lot of models of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of data sets which you can download and use, and that have been used for training those artificial intelligences. And finally, the most useful for regular people or for general public are Hugging Face spaces, and these are interfaces on the internet, on the platform Hugging Face, where you can actually interact with those models. It's These are from open source community. These are fan made. Well, some of them are from major companies, like Facebook or Stability AI with Stable Diffusion. But the idea is that they are open sourced. So, for example, this model is for generating music from Facebook. Here, this one is Stable Diffusion from Stability AI. So this one probably most of you know, and then there are several others. Here, right now, at this moment, I'm looking at 10 most liked spaces on the Hugging Face platform. So bigger the circle, the more likes it has. When you hover over, you can see the specific number. And when I click at it, I can see the detail with a link to Hugging Face itself. So feel free to explore all the models. You can also switch to see more of them. So here now I have 25 most liked spaces on Hugging Face. So all of these probably do something and do something useful. Some of them might be text models, some of them will be image models, some of them will be sound models, and all the other stuff that academics and researchers are doing, and some of it might be more or less useful to general public. But I mean, they are becoming more and more useful for everyone each day. So feel free to explore and have a look. And now I would like to show you what it looks like when we choose one of the spaces and we go to Hugging Face. Okay, and now we are transported to a Hugging Face platform, specifically to spaces and to interface with Stable Diffusion, just like we queried, just like we asked for. Each space will look differently every time you choose one. It will load interface on Hugging Face platform, and it will look different because there will be different inputs, different options, different parameters you can set, and different outputs you can expect from the models depending on what they are actually doing. So here we have Stable Diffusion 2.1, and simply here this is a publicly available online demo of the model, so you can actually generate images here, and depending on how many people are actually at the same time generating images, the longer you have to wait, but it is for free and it is available. It's possible that you need to create an account here on Hugging Face, but it's completely free. And then you have the option to explore each space, and test these models. So let's try something. Okay, I asked actually Claude AI to give me an example prompt, and he told me to just say a photorealistic image of a futuristic city on Mars. Okay, so we'll just try that and click on generate. Okay, now here I can see that how long it will take the processing, generating the image. So it takes 11 seconds, and voila. Yeah. So this is the result. This is what the Stable Diffusion gives me. It generates this specific space. This demo generates 4 images. You might be used to that already from some other platforms that generate images, So there you go. This is completely free, and you can just try and test it. And then you can go back to our platform and try a different space on Hugging Face. So feel free to test the images and try different prompts and let me know how it works for you.